Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is DP in the Dakotas. This is Carrie. I have some Temu and AliExpress. Temu, it came in like this. Plus, it came in these. So it was packaged pretty good. Except my post office lady, mail lady, she shoved my packages in my little tiny mailbox instead of using the bigger one. Oh, I was so mad. Oh, I found it. Yay. I was not happy. But how are you guys doing? You get your standard kit, pen, wax tray. And here's, I don't like it when they fold them in the middle, but it's a little 30 by 30. It's round. It was on sale for $1.99, so I couldn't go wrong. Especially with poo. I went up today and got my mail. I strolled up there. It was nice to get out and get some exercise. So this has 20 colors. And here it is. Isn't that cute? There's the drill fill. I'm thinking it's going to turn out, since poo is so close and the flowers. 20 colors, 1 through 8 numeric and 9 through 20 capital letters, all in order. And they come in a train. The trains are all hooked together. Here are the colors. Aren't they pretty? Yeah. So there's that one. I don't know if this one's going to turn out or not. Can't get it. Dang it. They don't want me to get in it. Same kit. This is 30 by 30. It doesn't tell you anywhere on here. You're supposed to guess, I think. Oh, that's air bubbles. I don't think it says anything. Nope. It doesn't. But it's a 30 by 30. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come back this way. Whoop. Not that far. Yikes. And it's not even a Monday. There's the picture. I don't know if it's going to turn out or not. Can you see it? I don't think it's going to turn out. Poo is, but I don't think the rest of them are. There's the drill fill. It's nice and clear. This one is $1.99 too. And they didn't have any bigger sizes. Otherwise I would have got bigger sizes. Colors are 1 through 7. Numbers and 8 through 21. Got the letters all in order. And these come in a train too. Pretty colors. Okay, I just took my medication. I need to get a drink. It makes my mouth so dry. Okay. Now, this is from AliExpress. It came in a bag like this. But I opened it up because I wanted to, it wouldn't take so long. So this one came in a bubble wrap, as you can see. And it's Halloween washi tape. They had a good, I think this was like $3.99 off of their website for $24. They had a big sale. So I got that. And then there came, the paintings came in a bubble wrap. This is what she fit in my damn, dang mailbox. I gotta keep that because that's all they have. This is a square. You got a tweezer. Oh, I'm not sure what that is. A 9-placer? Let's see. Let's see what's all in here. Oh, what's that? No idea. But you got your tweezers, your tray, squishy, your wax, your pen, and this is a 7-placer. So that's what comes in here. Oh, we'll look here first. This has got like a velvety canvas. Very soft. Very, very soft. But see what she did when she put that in my mailbox? Dang her. I don't think it's poured glue. I mean, I don't think it's double-sided tape. We're going to roll it back to get the wrinkles out. A little bit of wrinkles. Hopefully. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just make it worse. Who knows? Oh. So there it is. And this will eventually lay down. Holy Hannah, that glue stuck on there. It don't want me to go anywhere. Oop, oop. Alright. So you just release this a little bit. It will eventually lay down. It's got scalloped edges, poked and scalloped edges, so it won't fray. It prevents it from fraying. Yep, it's really sticky. No, no. Don't tell me you did. It did. Dang it. Dang, it's really stuck on there. I'm going to ruin the painting. I know I am. some sticky stuff. Wow. Yeah. It's so sticky now that. There. We got it. Jiminy Christmas. Whew. There's a picture of it. You see it? This is a 40 by 40. Drill fill. There's the number if you want to order it. And this is from AliExpress. Okay, here are the colors. Get an inventory sheet, which is nice. Get another picture of what it looks like. And the inventory sheet tells you the DMC code, the number, the letter, the weight, the quantity, and how many bags. So all in here I have one bag of each. And it says it's supposed to be a fairy dust and... Oh, here's... ABs. Where's the fairy dust? Right here's one. That's a fairy dust. Here's another one. No, not that one. This one. Fairy dust. And that looks about it. And this is a square. No. Alright. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Okay, I have one more. I think I can do it. This one I'm not happy with at all. Here's your drill. You got a 4-placer, your single placer, your purple wax, purple tray, purple pen. And then these are square. Here are your colors. And I don't think there's no ABs or anything in it. But guess what? I even looked to make sure. Oh, I didn't tell them how many colors this one had. This one has 39 colors. 1 through 8, 1 through 9 numeric, 10 through 33 capital letters, and then 30, not in order, 34. Oh yeah, they are in order. Never mind, they're in order. 34 through 39 shapes. And then this one is this. You see it? I'm not happy. It's a 50 by 50, has 35 colors, it's a square. It's all over the place. Letter symbols, capital letters. Yep, and I even looked and it didn't tell me it was double-sided tape. But it's double-sided tape. So that's all I can show you because they have that on it. So, that's all for me today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a good rest of your day. And remember to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, everyone.